Trubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Usembut Menteri Rangba Kajela ubas nyo bhalang Dhar habagren bekila pathai kubor ha kabaide bat kasuk kesan ha kapot hala pangap uloong bamenta kajing shingan kalayat bet kumba kajulong bar kinong rep kila leche kilingkha da kabasuk pasan habakli baka sorkar kala bante lakam kajing kanat ubas nyo bhalang uloong baka sorkar ka khami identi ya kababha bar kajing bun sien kim day kiba omla ban penbet Hynrei day Tang kajing Trei Shitom suki pasuki.
So now it's okay, everything's normal. People can go to their party normally as before.
But the government has always maintained that these 6 areas of differences is very tricky. So how do you see this? Are you hopeful that this time around there will be some result?
Hopefully, let us see for the best. What are issues? A complicated issue you know very well, and it's not the issue which had discussed the last 2 weeks. It's an issue has been discussed the last 50 years plus. So naturally, it'll be tough.
Will it be?
And does not mean tough is tough. You see, in difficult it does not mean impossible. It just means that we have to work little bit harder. We have to work hard. Difficult is that obviously I accept that. So difficult does not mean it's impossible. Maybe with the understanding of both the state after consulting a series of stakeholders. So hopefully maybe plus one we will try to solve it. We will try, but it will take a little bit of time because it's both the state and involved.